In this video, I am going to show you how to add a frequently asked questions widget to your website using Elfsight. First, head over to elfsight.com and select the frequently asked questions widget from the menu list. 2. Click on Create Widget. You can find the direct link in the video description. Choose a template that matches your website's style, and then you can customize the questions depending on your topics. Click Continue with this template and choose the layout and buttons and style tabs according to your preferences, like adjusting size, colors, and animation. Once satisfied, click Install to add the widget to your website. After that, you will be provided with an HTML code to copy it. Copy that code and head to your WordPress admin panel. Add a custom HTML block and then paste the copied code there. Click Update to save the settings, and then you will see the Frequently Asked Questions widget on your website. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.